Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I'm greatly appreciative. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect in protecting your cell phone. This is a screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This was sent over by a company called SMARTDEVIL. It's going to come in this little box, and it's really, really cool and a great way to protect that glass on your phone, and it's super easy to install. That's one of the reasons I absolutely love it. So once you open it up, naturally you're gonna get a quick start guide. We're covering all the features and how to do it right here in the video. Now, it's gonna get this nice little case. This makes it super, super easy and keeps you from getting bubbles or anything like that on the screen protector, because it comes with this tray that's designed for your phone, which is absolutely perfect. So you're gonna basically go ahead, you're gonna get these little kind of pouches. These in here are going to be a cleansing wipe, then it's going to be a dry wipe, and then a dust sticker. So you're going to go ahead and clean your phone surface, dry it off, and then if you see any little bits of dust, you're going to go ahead and use the dust sticker to grab those. Now you're going to get 3, so in case you have multiple phones or you screw up and you want to redo it, you can do that. So you're going to get plenty of these, and then also you're going to get 3 of the actual tempered glass phone protectors. So that is what these look like. As you can see, just go ahead and remove them from their little plastic case. Now this is tempered glass, so it's not like a cheap plastic film or anything like that. It's really going to help with that impact. So it's rated for up to 22 pounds of impact to it, and then also a 5-foot drop. So really is got a nice rating to it, and then it's because it's got that tempered glass to it. And once again, it's designed so it's easy to go ahead and put in. You can see there's the little holes that you're going to line up to the device itself. So on here, you're simply going to go ahead and line it up. You're going to place your phone face down, and then you're going to pull the tab, and it's going to go ahead and adhere it to your phone. And then when you go ahead and remove it off, and then you're going to peel off the other side, and now it's installed, bubble-free, super, super easy to do and utilize, and go ahead and add that phone protector. It's a one-step process, which is absolutely great. When you put on any phone protector like these or any other phone protector, if you use your fingerprint sensors, go ahead and re-register that, because now you've added another layer. So just whatever you have in there, delete it, and then go ahead and re-register your fingerprint, and it's going to work because it does perfectly with fingerprint recognition. You don't have to worry about this blocking that. You just got to go ahead and re-register it. Also, once again, if the S Pen works well with that, the touchscreen, all that works just as normal, which is absolutely great. It doesn't block any phone cases either. So if you do have your own phone case that you like, this is only covering the screen, so it works really, really well with that. But overall, it's a really simple device to use. Like I said, it's a one-step. Don't have to worry about those little bubbles that can get really annoying, making sure things are perfectly aligned, get all the way to the end, and you found out you're not aligned. This makes all that nice and easy with these cool little trays. So if you're in the market and you're looking for a great phone protector, this one's totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in that comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.